Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Now I'm at the Thong Quat food store, like a restaurant here. It's opposite the Central Post Office, General Central Post Office, and I would like to introduce you about the ice cream, which is very old. Like they opened the shop quite long time ago, since I still quite young, like was young when I live around here. They have already opened the shop, so it's very tasty, very yummy. So basically the ice cream, they sell the ice cream here, and they have some like an option or variety things that you can put on like a topping. So you can see that they have a sugar palm seed and lotus seed and corn and jelly as well there. So it has a many flavor of ice cream, like a vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, cacao, and with the coconut milk as well. So basically this one, and you can see that one, the name of the shop, like the called Thong Quat Ice Cream Central Post Office. So they have a coconut milk, vanilla, strawberry, taro, chocolate, and coffee. So that one for 3 scoop is cost 40 baht, and 4 scoop is 50 baht, 5 scoop is 60 baht. And when you add more jelly, like 3 scoop of ice cream plus jelly is 50 baht. And if you would like to order special one, also for 4 scoop plus jelly is 60 baht. And then this is okay. I can show you around a little bit there. Okay. And that is a sign of they got 5 stars as well for the like a kind of a very delicious restaurant. Okay. And this is my sister has already ordered 3 scoops of the ice cream. I show you that. So with the jelly, and then 2 strawberry and 1 scoop of the chocolate one. So it's cost 50 baht, and they just serve you with the water for free as well. So I'm gonna order as well. You can see more here. This is the wife of the shop. I'll show you around here. That one. You can even order some soft drink as well here. So I hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment or any idea or anything that you would like to know about Thailand or Bangkok, just let me know. I will try to find the answer for you. And it would be great if you can support my channel by press the like or give me the subscribe. So it will be help to and support my channel. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.